Hi everyone, today we're going to work on this wheat ear pattern. This cluster looks great for bags, blankets, and clothing. The crocheting method is super simple, so let's get started together. In the video, I'm using Susan's Family 4-ply cotton yarn with a 2.5 mm crochet hook, cast on with a chain stitch. After casting on, yarn over the hook, and pull through to make a chain stitch. 2, 3, just keep working chain stitches like this. The number of chains should be any even number plus 1. I cast on 15 times 2 plus 1, which is 31 chains. First, work your own 31 chains. Once you've completed 31 chains, return and work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the last stitch. This is the second chain from the hook, where we'll begin working. Insert the hook and pull through the yarn. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull through all at once. That's a single crochet. Place a marker in the first single crochet stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet into each chain stitch. After completing this row, you'll have 30 single crochets total. Complete this part on your own first. Once you've finished 30 single crochets, begin the second round by chaining 1 and turning. Then, insert the hook into each stitch like this. After inserting, there will always be 2 loops on the hook. Work single crochets correspondingly into each stitch. After completing this round, you'll also have 30 single crochets. Complete this part on your own first. You've reached the stitch with the marker. Remove the marker and work the last single crochet into that stitch. Next, begin the third round by chaining 1 and turning. Normally we insert the hook like this. There will be 2 loops on the hook. For this round, insert only into the back loop. Now continue crocheting. Insert into the back loop only. Pull through and work a single crochet. You can place a marker in the first single crochet stitch, if you're unsure which loop is which. Work 1 single crochet into each stitch. This round also completes with 30 single crochets. Only this round must be worked into the back loop only. Complete this round on your own. After finishing the third round, chain 1 for the fourth round and turn. Insert into each stitch normally and work single crochets. Work a row of single crochets, also 30 single crochets. Complete on your own. On the fourth round, when you reach the marker position, work the last single crochet at the marked stitch. Chain 1 to begin the fifth round. As you can see, a ridge forms between the second and third rounds because we worked half stitches. The fifth round will also be worked in half stitches. Following the same method as before, normally you would insert into the full stitch. This round is worked only into the back loops. This creates a ridge. Continue working even single crochets into the back loops all the way around. Complete this round of back loop single crochets on your own. After finishing the fifth round of back loop single crochets, 2 clear ridges are visible here. Consider this side the right side. The wrong side looks like this. I prefer the texture on the right side. Now let's work the 6th round. Starting from this round, we'll begin the pattern. Chain 1 and turn the fabric over. Insert into the full stitch normally. Work a single crochet first. Skip 1 stitch, then work a single crochet into the next stitch position. Then return to the skipped stitch and work a bobble stitch. Here I'm working a bobble stitch with 4 unfinished half double crochets. Yarn over and insert into the skip position. Pull up a loop and lengthen it. To make this bobble stitch firmly stuffed, the pulled thread length needs to be even. Then yarn over again, and hold the yarn with this finger to keep it even when pulling through. Insert and pull up a loop. Lengthen it. Pull to about the right length. Continue yarn over, then hold it again. Insert, pull up and lengthen the loop. Now there are 3 unfinished half double crochets on the hook. Work 1 more. 4 unfinished half double crochets. Then draw through all the loops except the last one, leaving only 2 loops. Finally draw through both loops at once. This is a bobble stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and work a single crochet in the next stitch position. Go back to the skipped stitch, and continue with another bobble stitch. Let me demonstrate again. First work 4 unfinished half double crochets. Then draw through all the loops except the last one, leaving only 2 loops. Draw through again. This completes 2 groups. Continue by skipping 1 stitch, and working a single crochet in the next stitch position. Return to the skipped stitch and work a bobble stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the entire round on your own. After finishing the last group, there will be 1 remaining stitch. Work a single crochet in that last stitch. Next, work the 7th round. The pattern for the 7th round is the same as the 6th round. Chain 1 and turn the fabric over. Work a single crochet in the first stitch. Then skip 1 stitch and work a single crochet in the next stitch. Go back to the skipped stitch, and work a bobble stitch in that stitch. Draw through all loops at once, leaving only the last 2 loops on the hook. Draw through again. This completes the first group. Continue by skipping 1 stitch, and working a single crochet in the next stitch position. Return to the skipped stitch and work a bobble stitch. Draw through all the loops in front, leaving 2 loops. Continue drawing through. 2 groups are now complete. For the 3rd group, skip 1 stitch and first work a single crochet in the next stitch. Complete this round using the same method. First complete the 7th round on your own. After finishing the last group, there is 1 stitch left. Work a single crochet in it. Next, start the 8th round by making a chain stitch, and turning the fabric over. This round consists of working a single crochet in every stitch normally, a total of 30 single crochets. Complete this round of single crochets on your own. 8th round completed. Starting from the pattern shape, the middle section consists of single crochet rows. Here it's 1 row of regular single crochets, and the next row is back loop only single crochets. Since the 8th row was worked normally, for the 9th row make a chain stitch, turn the fabric over, and then work this row in the back loops only. Only work single crochets in the back loops. The stitch count will always remain 30. Work this round in the back loops only. Next round work normally. Repeat this pattern respectively. I've worked 4 rows of single crochets here. Complete up to the 11th row on your own. After finishing the back loop single crochets of the 11th round, I start repeating the pattern from the 6th round's motif with another chain stitch and turn. First work a single crochet in the first stitch. Skip 1 single crochet, then work a single crochet in the next stitch. Go back to the skipped stitch and work a bobble stitch. Pull through all the loops except 2, then pull through again. Continue by skipping 1 stitch, then work a single crochet in the next stitch. The crocheting method is exactly the same as the 6th row. Continue working on your own to the desired length by repeating the pattern from row 6 to row 11. Complete the remaining sections on your own. I worked 3 rows of motifs here, with 4 rows of single crochets between each pair of motif rows. After finishing the last row of motifs, I worked only 2 rows of single crochets and then ended. Adjust the width according to your needs. Finish with a chain stitch and break the yarn. Tuck the yarn tails neatly at the back. The wheat stitch pattern piece is now complete. That's all for this video.